What's up everyone, this is Taylor with Burner Tuner. Welcome back to the channel. We've been very busy getting moved across the country, but we are now settled in the new garage as you would have seen in the last episode. This time we're back again with the Aero 50 with another slew of parts from our boys over at Scooter Swap Shop. You know they keep us supplied. We've got some amazing parts to throw out the build, including a brand new Italian-made Aero pipe to really take advantage of that 72cc kit, as well as some transmission tuning to get it dialed in. Sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, and enjoy the show. I do love this thing. It's such a good sound pipe. Alright, so while I air it out in here, I'm gonna pop open this garage. Yeah, I forgot. 2 strokes are a little smoky, and even a garage this size can get smoked out pretty quick. Hey, there's the S4. Okay, so it sounds pretty good. I really do like it. It's like I don't know, it's just like an old school dirt bike sound, you know? But I think this Aero is gonna give it a really, really good sound, being that it's a well-made Italian exhaust. Probably gonna get some more speed out of this thing. And then with that Variator, I bet this thing's gonna run like an absolute champ. So let's go ahead and throw that on. All right, first impressions right out of the box, man. This is a very, very nicely built piece. You can see that, you know, you do pay a bit extra for this, but you're paying for a premium part. I mean, this is gonna last. These are really nice welds on here. Everything looks, you know, very, very well fit and finish. It says limited series. I guess I'm not sure how limited, but it says it's number 49. And the little carbon Kevlar look on the exhaust can here, this is pretty sweet too. Very, very good looking part. And then of course we've got our spring kit, clamps, and our exhaust ports. So let's go ahead, get this all thrown on the bike and see just how good she sounds. All right, so we're back. It's a new day. I'm freshly shaven. I'm actually back to work now. So we had some problems with that Aero exhaust fitting on the bike. I wanted to keep the bike as low as possible while getting that really awesome pipe on there, but it was making some contact and we were getting a little bit of melt down here on the plastic. So I ended up throwing in that S23 shock spacer that I got from Scooter Swap Shop. So I think that's gonna provide us with enough clearance that I can throw that pipe on there. All right, we got the Polini Variator set up. We got, I believe these are the 6 point. Hi, baby. All right, we got the Polini Variator in here. We've got the 5.6 gram rollers in here. Kind of hard to see, it's not super in focus. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this thing in here real quick, show you the before and after. I've got a video I took before I moved of me with the stock Variator set up. I don't remember what roller size I had in there. I think they were like 6 gram or something. So very, very comparable, very close. I tried some different Variator sizes and I wasn't able to get it over, you know, maybe 31, 32 miles an hour. So here's a quick clip of that on the GoPro, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw this thing in. make sure you use your stock boss on this one. The one they give you is a little bit too big. Also be sure to pick up some shims while you're at it. Mine needed 5 to make this thing sit just right. So unfortunately, I was unable to find that draggy run, but I do have a screenshot from a GPS app I was using, and you can see we peaked about 41.3 miles per hour. So a pretty reasonable improvement with just that Variator. Not too bad. Okay, so we saw about 40 miles an hour with the Chameleon pipe, maybe 41, almost 42, which is a big improvement over stock. If you saw in the previous video, I think I hit like 32, maybe 33. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw that Aero pipe on, take it back out and see if we feel any improvement. Maybe a better 60 foot on the draggy, maybe better mile per hour. I don't know, we'll see. So let's go ahead and do that. Unfortunately, the draggy video files were corrupted for this one as well, but fortunately, I do have screenshots comparing the two runs right here. So check that out, you can see a reasonable improvement, not too bad. Yeah, so my takeaways from this are that buying a good quality pipe is definitely paramount when it comes to getting your two-stroke to run optimally. So if you guys can afford it, definitely spend the bucks to buy a nice pipe. It's going to make all the difference in getting all the power that you can out of your specific cylinder kit on your bike. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for this one. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Speaking of subscribers, we recently hit 1,500, a huge accomplishment for us, and we're looking to hit 2,000 by the end of the year. We get some big projects coming up, so stay tuned to the channel. And as far as the Aero goes, next up we're going to be doing some gears. Hopefully I can hit that ever elusive 60 mile per hour on a vehicle way too small to be going that fast. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, tell your mom about us, keep it rubber side down, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.